Our family Christmas countdown is on. Today we're combining cute with holiday cheer. I'm drawing Hello Kitty nestled inside a cozy Christmas stocking. And let's get started. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next holiday piece. Let's first start by drawing Hello Kitty's ear. So I'm going to draw a curved line there. That's the ear, and I'm going to draw the face by bringing down a curved line downwards. And from here, I'm going to draw a Santa hat. So a triangle that points up, a circle at the top, and bring the line down. I'm going to draw some wavy lines here. There, and at the end of this Santa hat, I am going to draw a circle. So instead of the traditional bow that Hello Kitty wears, I am going to draw 3 circles. The one in the middle is bigger, and followed by a smaller one. At the top, I am going to add kind of like a heart-shaped leaf and another one. There, and I'm going to color them in red and green later so that it looks very Christmassy. Now, let's draw the other ear. So I'm gonna draw this point across. So this ear is around here, and then from there, from this point, I'm just gonna draw a curved line for the other ear. There. Now I'm gonna change the head a little bit so that it is not that tilted. Because I wanted to cover like the top of Hello Kitty's head. So instead of like a tilted head, I am going to draw a more that sits more flat at the top. There. Okay, so now let's draw this point across as well. That's the bottom of the ear. And bring a line, a curved line that goes out and comes back in. So that's the other side of the face. Let's just make sure that it looks symmetrical. Now let's draw 2 ovals for her eyes around here, and a flattened oval in the middle. There, and now let's draw the whiskers. So 1, 2, 3. The one in the middle is shorter, and then let's draw this point across just to make sure that the whiskers are symmetrical. There. Okay, and at the bottom of her head, let's draw 2 bigger flattened ovals like this for her hands. And from the side of her face, let's draw some wavy lines. Continue that at the top. And now let's bring 2 lines downwards, one on the left and one on the right. So I'm gonna bring this one longer, about this tall, and then at the edge I'm going to round it off and bring it to the left. From there, right around here, let's draw a curved line to bring it down, okay, and connect to the line that we just drew there. And I'm going to make the bottom line curved a little bit, just like this, there. And now let's draw a curved line here. We're going to leave the circles blank and fill in the rest with red. Here, and now let's color it. I'm going to fast forward this part, but feel free to pause if you need more time. There, and that is how to draw Hello Kitty in a Christmas stocking. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.